Hi everyone, this is Sampada and welcome to my channel Scrappy Collection. So today I have this baby girl album to show you. It is a beautiful and a very chunky album. The size is 12 cross 9 inches and it has came out really beautiful. So you can see the cover page and this is how it is embellished. All these are handmade flowers and this is a frame for the baby's picture. And this is a beautiful quote that we made a wish and you came true. So this is how I have decorated it, some clouds and some hot air balloon and the name of the baby girl Hunar written over here. And it is a fabric binding, so you can see how clean and how beautifully it is binded. And here I have some extra note cards and photo mats. So I'll show you how and where to put all the pictures and how to include journaling note cards in this album. So these are some note cards over here. So these are photo mats, birth certificate, some more note cards where some quotes are written back, like I love you to the moon and back, and hello baby, welcome to the world. So this is the envelope. So I kept this extra envelope with all these milestones, like smiled for the first time and first outing, said mom for the first time, first stroller, said dad for the first time, sat for the first time, crawled for the first time. So all of these are some note cards which mom can include while putting the pictures. She can place these note cards there, and this is how it goes in this envelope. And this is a beautiful baby embellishments, handmade. Now coming back to the album, you can see this is quite chunky, so it's going to be a long video. So just sit back and enjoy this video. So I'm just opening this album to give you a walkthrough. Okay, so this is the first page, and this page is dedicated, these two pages are dedicated to the mom, so she can include all the pictures of her pregnancy and like when she got the news and all the hospital details and hospital visits. She can include details of those things. And this is a big pocket which can include a 5x7 size of photo mat. So there are two spots for 5x7 size of picture here in this photo mat, and it has a lot of room, so you can include a lot of pictures also. And it is a big size, so you can include a 5x7 or 4x6 size of picture right here in this pocket. And here it is written new arrival. This is a regular lady, and here it is written I am mommy's little princess. And then there is room for 1 2 3 4 5 6 pictures here in this one. And then there is this photo mat, so there is a frame for a picture and it opens up like this, so the mom can do journaling inside. So it goes like this. And moving on to the next page, so this is the next page, and here you can see this beautiful embellishments, and it opens up like so. This is a frame actually, so let me just show you what goes inside. So you can include a picture like this, okay, and it opens up, so room for two big size of pictures of 5x7 inches. And then this is a magnetic closure. It is a kind of a door, and this is kind of a knob, so it opens up like this, and here it goes. So room for journaling on these two sides, and then room for a big 5x7 size of pictures here. So a lot of room for pictures on this page. All right, and even the mom can put two pictures right here like this. Two pictures can be placed here, or one big size of picture can be placed. So this is how it goes. Moving on to the next page, a beautiful page, and this is a shaker. So if you will just shake it, you can see the sequence moving around, and here it is written baby girl. So now the baby is born, and here is a beautiful photo frame. So this can be taken out if the mom wants. She can put a picture in spite of this, but it's looking nice, so I just placed this note card here. and this is a photo mat. So it opens up like this, and there is a pocket. So this is for first month of the baby, and mom can put picture on this side, and she can write down something and place in this pocket. Now this is the pocket again. So it holds a photo mat for 4x6 size of pictures. So 2 pictures can be placed in this photo mat, and here it is written little bundle of joy. And there is one more beautiful photo mat for a small size of picture, like 4x3 inches. So it goes like this. Now it opens up in this way, and then there is room for pictures here. So 5x7 size of picture will go on this side, and on this side. And if the mom wants, she can make a collage of a small and big size of pictures on these 2 sides. So I have given this room for either a big size of picture, or she can place small size of pictures. So it is up to you. And now this is the next page. So this is a frame for a photo, and the photo goes inside like this. Now there are 2 more photo frames here. So mom can put a feet photo, baby's feet and baby's hands photos over here, and because these 2 are parallelly kept with each other, so baby's hands and food pictures will look very nice here. So it opens up like this, and this opens up like this. So room for big size of picture, 5x7 size of picture, or 2 4x6 size of picture like this. And then there is room for journaling, or if mom wants, she can put picture here. And there is again one more room for big size of picture like this. Alright, in this way. And this is 6x8 inch. Now it opens up like this. Again, room for picture here, room for pictures here, here and here. So, and now it opens up like this. So this is a pop-up. It opens up like this, and there is a room for picture on this side of 4x6 size, and there is a photo frame, and here it is written 2 months. So mom can put pictures of baby when she is 2 months old. So there is a lot of room for pictures on this page. So these parts are kept empty. So either the mom can make collage, or she can put 2 pictures like this. Now it goes to the next page, and let us go through this page. So this is a magnetic closure. It opens up like this. There is some room for journaling on these sides. Now this is a frame for picture. So a photo can be placed here inside like this, and this is a photo booklet. So pictures can be placed on this tray, this part. Okay, and let me close it. And this is a bigger pocket which can hold big size of pictures like 5x7 or 4x6. There is room for this 2 pictures of 4x6 size, and it goes like this. Now this is for 3rd month. Here it is written 3rd month. Now moving on to the next page. This is a magnetic closure. It opens up like this. Room for a small size of pictures or journaling here. Now this is a waterfall, and it is for the 4th month. So it opens up like this, and you can paste a lot of pictures on this. So 4x6 size of pictures can be placed easily on this one, and then it opens up like this. So there is these 2 belly bands which can hold photo mats like this, and in fact the birth certificate can go like this, and more photo mats can go inside this. So it is written 5 month and 6 month, and we'll close it and move on to the next page. So now this is for the 7th month. So this is a frame. So mom can take out this photo mat like this by pulling this golden circle, and she can put picture on this part and slide it down, so it will be reflected over here. Now this is for 7 months. So this is open from this side. It's a tuck spot like this, and then this is again a pocket. So photos can be placed in this part also. This also goes like this. So this can be placed like this, and it opens up like this. So room for pictures on this side, and here it is written twinkle twinkle little star. So room for pictures on these parts. It opens up like this. So there is a pop-up here. So I'll show you from this front view that how it looks. So it goes like this. Now moving on to the next page, kind of a door, or you can say almirah, kind of almirah. So it opens up, it's magnetic, it opens up like this, and this is a waterfall. So 4x6 size of pictures can be pasted here. Okay, so let me close it. Okay, now moving on, let me open this. Okay, so this is a photo frame, so you can slide down a picture here, and this is a pocket for more pictures, and this is a room for a lot of pictures. Like if the mom wants, she can put a big size of picture like this, or 2 5x7 size of picture, or 3 4x6 size of pictures. Moving on to the next page, this is a twine closure. So it opens up like this, and it is for 9th month. Last page was for the 8th month. So you can see over here. So this page is for the 9th month of the baby, and it's a bigger pocket for photo mats. And then this is a 5x7 size of booklet, and it is actually a pocket as well. So you can see, you can slide on pictures and note cards here in this pocket, and it opens up like this. And this is how you have to close this closure. You have to do the closure. Now this is the next page, and there is a frame over here, and it is embellished with handmade flowers and some baby dress. It opens up like this. So room for 2 pictures of 5x7 size inside, and it opens up like this. So room for a big size of picture here, and 2 small size of pictures can be placed like this, and this. It opens up like this. Now when you will open it, you can see it is for 10th month and 11th month. So photo booklet for 10th month, so mom can put pictures of the baby when she is in her 10th month, and then here room for more pictures for 11th month. Now this is an envelope, and it is actually for journaling. Alright, so it gets closed like this. And moving on to the next page. So this is a photo booklet. It opens up like this, and you can place 4x6 size of picture. Alright, it opens up like this, and this is a belly band which can hold photo mats. Now room for pictures here on this side, like this and this, and room for 4x6 size of pictures, then room for pictures here as well. Moving on to the next page, this is a tuck spot which can hold these photo booklets. So this is for 12th month, and it goes like this, and this goes like this. It opens up for this bigger room for picture, and this is a magnetic closure. It opens up like this. So photo mat here, and this is the journaling spot. So you have to close it like this and this, and so it can stuck a lot of photo mats like this. Now moving on to this page, it has a twine closure. Let me open it. And then there is this tuck spot over here. Alright, so you can tuck something like this. It opens up, so room for pictures here, room for pictures here, and room for pictures in this one. And it actually works as a pocket. So you can stuck a photo mat over here. Close it. Now this is the last page. So it has has a pocket for a small size of pictures and note cards. So it is for baby's first birthday. It opens up like this. Now room for pictures here and here. It opens up like this, and room for a 4x6 size of picture here, and room for a small size of picture here, or the mom can do some journaling on this inside this frame, which will also look nice. And then room for pictures here and here, and it is actually a pop-up. So let me show you how it works. So it opens up like this. So these small spots are for pictures, and it is actually a pocket. So photo can be tucked here. Right. So this is how it goes, and then this is the back side of the album. So I hope you like this album, and if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get all the updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.